What's up guys, Roger here. Today I'm bringing you guys a bike check video. So, if you guys don't know what a bike check is, it's like a review of your bike. So yeah. So first, we're going to start off with like the whole bike. The bike that I have is just a GT. Custom made with OVI bars. I think. No, wait, no GT bars, yeah. No GT grips. This thing focusing. Okay. So, I don't really know all the parts of my bike. Because I'm not really like into biking. I'm just into like skateboarding. So, just the GT fork, GT wheels, GT pedals, I think. GT pedals, GT chain, GT sprocket, GT seat. So, almost GT everything. And I have a little bit of like a light that turns on. Yeah, and then it flashes to give someone a seizure. Oh god. And then I have like a red one, which is like a little reflector, which is right there. Yeah. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please make sure to leave a comment for more videos on this. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, comment for more videos that you guys want us to do. Peace out.